Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan, and today we are checking out the Mi Watch Revolve. So let's quickly get started. Congratulations, Yuvraj, you won iGyaan merch. For your comment, if you guys would like to win an iGyaan t-shirt, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. So Xiaomi's launched the Mi Watch Revolve at an introductory price of $9,999, and at that price, it competes with some of the other smartwatches available in India, and it also sort of competes in terms of specifications. So let's quickly take a look at those specifications. The overall watch weighs in at 40 grams, so it's relatively lightweight. It has a 1.39-inch circular screen with a 454 by 454 pixel resolution. It is an AMOLED touchscreen and it has a single touch plus slide option, so it's not a multi-touch display. Also, it is available in two colors. We've got the midnight black over here, but it's also available in a chrome silver for a more understated watch look. On the inside of the watch is a 420 mAh battery that takes about 2.5 hours to charge with the included charger. Now, even though it looks like a magnetic charger, it's actually a pogo pin charger, so the pins need to touch with the watch for it to work. Now, Xiaomi claims a 14-day use time for the watch, and we're not expecting it to last that long. Anywhere from 6 to 8 days is acceptable on this watch, but we'll check all of that out when we fully review the device. Now, some of the features that the watch Revolve has include a PPG heart rate sensor. It of course has an accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a geomagnetic sensor, and an ambient light sensor. It is water resistant up to 5 ATM, so about 50 feet, and you can also go swimming with it, and it also tracks your swim if you enable that in the tracking options. It has a quick release strap which is 22 mm wide, and mostly you can replace it with any 22 mm wide strap that is available in the market, since it uses a simple watch type interface where the pins sort of tie in at the end of the strap, so that should not be a problem. It connects with your smartphone on the Android side of things using the Xiaomi Wear app, and on iOS using the Xiaomi Wear Lite app. The Wear Lite app is quite finicky and doesn't work properly, so I would not recommend, at least at this stage, if you use an iOS device, to pick this watch up, because a lot of features including changing the watch face don't work as well. As far as the app is concerned, there are quite a lot of things that you can do with the smartwatch. It has over 100 watch faces that are readily available, and they'll keep adding more watch faces. It also has 10 sport modes for different sorts of tracking, which include things like indoor cycling, outdoor cycling, trail running, trekking, treadmill, and like I mentioned, swimming, and a freestyle workout as well. As far as heart rate monitoring is concerned, because it has a PPG heart rate sensor, it is quite accurate with respect to heart rate monitoring, and it also has different options where it shows you heart rate variability, and it also shows you stress levels during the day, and it also does your sleep tracking. So all of those features are sort of built in. Now, one thing that I don't like off the watch right off the bat is the fact that you can't wake it up by tapping on the screen, and you have to press one of the buttons on the right side to do that, and that is kind of bothersome because I'm kind of used to just tapping on the screen of a smartwatch to enable it, but it does not happen with this watch. You do have the ability to control your music off your smartphones. If you are playing music on your smartphone, you can control it with the watch. You can also manage calls and get notifications. You can't make or receive calls on the watch. You can locate your phone. So if you lose your phone or if you lose your watch, you can locate both of them. It also has an altimeter, so it gives you altitude information as well. And then it has various other watch features which are pretty regular, which includes an alarm, a timer, etc. Now, Xiaomi is trying to sort of get into a slightly more premium wearable market with the Mi Watch Revolve. I'm not too sure if it's worth the $9,999 price tag, but if you guys are interested, we'll do a full review of the smartwatch and get back to you with that. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or queries, drop them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. This has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.